Hey guys, how to close a deal in online sales, overcoming all objections. I see a lot of people, they are doing a lot of hard work in closing the deals, but they find many problems. A lot of people find it very difficult to close a deal in online sales. So watch this video till the end. I'll explain you how to close a deal overcoming all objections. My name is Kadam Saicharan, son to a super and loving parents, a beloved brother, mathematics lover, fitness enthusiast, now social media marketer. I train people on how to do affiliate marketing with digital information products and SaaS softwares. I also help local businesses grow their business using advanced digital marketing softwares. In 2019, I recognized as one of the brand new ambassador of a top affiliate marketing program. My vision is to help 1 million people to teach affiliate marketing and make them financially independent. So how to close a deal? Okay, it is of 4 steps. I found in my research, I found 4 steps in closing any deal. The first step is buyers. Okay, you are selling a product to people, right? So you have to know whether the person who is investing money in the product, whether he is having money or not, whether he can invest in your product or not. You have to qualify him, because if you are selling $50 product to a student, $100 product to a student, he might not purchase it, he might not afford it. So you have to know about the person even before you interact with them. This saves a lot of time, because I see a lot of people, they target wrong people and later they regret for wasting their time on him. So even before you interacting with any person, know about that person. You have to know the buyer's perspective. You have to know about the buyer even before you interact. Okay, the second one is authority. You have to know the buyer having authority or not, whether he's having a credit card or not, because your product requires credit card, but the person who is buying don't even have a credit card. He might be a student below 18 years of age. Nobody knows. So you have to know whether the person having authority or not. This is very important. Okay, the first one is buyer's perspective, the second one is authority, and the third one is a need. You have to know how much need, how much desire the person having in your product. This is very important. A people purchase based on need and their desire. So that is very important. You have to know how much desire a person having in your product, how much need he have now. That is very important. You need to qualify this as well. And the fourth thing is time frame, whether he is interested to purchase your product right now. Right now he is willing to purchase your product or not. So you have to know these 4 things. You have to apply these 4 steps interacting with any prospect in closing your deal. This is very important, and this is very simple as well. If you follow this, even if you follow this for a few prospects, if you work on it, definitely you will get the results as well. Okay, and you need to overcome, the person should overcome all the objections. Some people might say the product is so expensive. How you handle those situations? You have to make the person understand that your product is expensive, but it is providing a lot of value. You have to compare your product with different products. You have to explain them everything. If you don't have answers for that, it's your mistake. You have not researched it before. Okay, and some people might be saying, I don't have much time for this. So you have to know what to answer. Some people might say, I don't have trust on you. So you have to develop that trust. You have to put out content every single day. You have to put out your testimonials every single day. So lot of things you have to overcome the objections. You have to do some research even before you interact with some other prospect. You need to know all the objections which is coming your way. If you're directly getting into the market and trying to sell a product without doing research on all these objections, it's your mistake. Okay, you need to know all the objections people will ask you. You need to have answers for it. Then it's very simple for you to close a deal very fast and very confident as well. Okay, so remember these 4 things. The first one is buyer's perspective. You need to know whether the person whom you're interacting is able to invest in your product. The second is authority, is the person whom you're interacting having a authority to purchase your product. And the third thing is a need, is he having a desire to purchase your product, is he having a need to purchase your product. And the fourth thing is the time frame, whether he want to start it now, he want to purchase your product now. So these are the four things, and a lot of objections. You can put it out for yourself. So understand this thing, you need to do research on all the objections given by your prospects. This is very important in closing any deal. Okay, hope you got some value from this video. If you really got some value from this video, like it, share it and subscribe it. Kadam Sai Chiran, son to a super and loving parents, a beloved brother, mathematics lover, fitness enthusiast, now social media marketer, signing off. Hope to see you in the next video.